What up, guys? My name is Kevin. Welcome to my channel. It's my first video, so let's get to it. I'm gonna teach you guys how to turn this into this. Cool. All right. First off, what we're gonna need is the wink mirror. Yes. Some tools we're gonna need for it is a set of Allen, and you can do it with flathead screwdriver. Let's get to it. Alright, guys, so first thing you're going to need to do is take off the sun visors. Unfortunately, you can't do it without doing that, and it's about to be the summertime soon, in like 6 months. So yeah, some things you're going to have to sacrifice also is your rear view mirror. I have a Broadway on there right now, so I'm just going to take that off. Comes right off, pops right off. Alright guys, sorry about that. Let's get started. Sometimes these screws annoy me. So that's it. That's the size of the screw. Not that big. You guys don't lose these screws because you guys will be need to be using the same screw to mount up the wink mirror. Sorry about that. So this one's being tough on me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use a flathead screwdriver since it'll be easier for me. This is actually gonna be my first time using the T25 star Allen key looking thingamajiggy. Usually I just use a flathead because back then I never had one. Alright, second screw's out. That's it. Now repeat for the other side. Bam, done. Cool. Now you grab your wink mirror. I already had it mounted. I got it from my brother-in-law. So yeah. Usually what I do is they're not gonna match up perfectly. So you're gonna have to kind of rig it or find the screw to place it in. They have little notches right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew it from the mirror just so that I have playroom and I'm able to screw it in without the mirror being in my way. And all you do is put the screw in the hole of the bracket and mount it back up on the hole where the visors were. Let me just show you guys really quick. If you guys look at it, it's just right on the bolt where the bolt line is at. Oh, screw line. If you can see it. Right there. Now the wing mirror just has a bolt on the side for the right side, washer, and nut. That's basically it. Shouldn't be that hard to do. There it is. So don't be like me and try to do everything on one side, because you end up with losing everything like I just did. That's it. Make sure all my fitments are right. That's how I like it. Because sometimes it's not. Alright guys, that's the finished project right there.
Day one, you was supposed to be my day one. Shit, I should've seen this motherfucking day come. Nowadays, bitches switch up like they make up. I thought you had my back, but then you left me without saying none. I thought I was the one that you loved. You was fucking with me cause you had a thing for them thugs. You would ride around, I let you ride around with my gun. Now I'm saying motherfuck you cause you fucked up my trust. Then I came home to come and see you fuck with my brother. On top of that, you blew the money me and you made together. We was supposed to be a team, you put KD with thunder, and I will always put you on.